again. Welcome back guys to our next video. Today we're gonna get some parrot, as you guys could see. Gonna get some parrot today. You see I get it sprung there. Don't break my sprung early as possible because me neighbor gotta look for sprung. So don't break my sprung already. I got me inside this red bag on my back. I got my sugar. I get a knife. I get a barcode for cut a barcode. Then we gonna get some parrot. So stay with me and then we go see how much we could catch. We going straight on the back road. The back dam, let's say dam. Beside me. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. You saw me sweating, sun hot. So please like the video for the hard work, you understand? We go through a lot, sometimes we actors go through a lot to give you guys a video, you know. So we feel so good and appreciate it when we see you guys subscribe and commenting and liking up, you know. Yes guys. Here we go and see how much parrot we could catch. First we only have 2 inside here. 2 we have in here. So we will see how much we can catch. So I'm sweating. Whew. Lock back the gate. There you guys. Going down here, go in and see if we get the bottle. Come up with sprung. Yeah man. Right. Yeah, this line made about time. Alright guys, so gotta get a bottle now. Let me see if I find a bottle right there. Alright, get a bottle. So we going on cut this and we going on put we got in here for rub up with sprung. And see if we get 2 character. Me people. So start like the video. If you don't like the video as yet and you're watching, like before you forget to like it. 1000k like, that is it. Alright, stay tuned here. sprang if we're up, and then gear. Each and everybody. Sugar. Sugar inside here. I got plenty. So, yeah, phone stick. You don't phone what you got me, you know. Check out my seat. Yeah, fam. Gonna make a next pong, guys. So stay tuned when I wash up and come back. What I do, I'm gonna do probably sprang. But we use the cup before. We're gonna drop a little sugar inside. Drop a little sugar on inside. And we're gonna chow the Guyana back. Don't waste it, Beze, because it's not enough. Yeah. Chow back more Guyana inside there. Chow back a little more sugar. Good. We don't want too much sugar to make it too sugary. Alright. Let me get next bone stick. Let's see what's doing. Yeah, daddy, man. Come on. That is it. Alright guys, so done get with sprang start out. Sprang every bad man. So now we going down the army. So now see a nice spot for set out. And see if we could catch two parrot fast and quick. You understand me people? So just stay tuned for me here. And we go down here. I sprang every board, man. Oh. Sprang every board, buddy. Oh my God, boy. Yeah. I said no right there. Setting the carry. Okay. One and done in there. I said it's sprang here guys. And I go set out the camera. Right here for get it sprang, right? So stay tuned, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, you heard? So let me see what's going on. I said the camera, make sure it's showing the sprang nice and good. Bring everything. I feel like I got cross this canal and go over so for the sun gamma because I got kind of clad a little bit. I don't know if boy gonna fly on or fly off, but we can just watch and still see. You right? I got sugar and everything. I got cross this trench and go so. So I'll stay tuned by the time and let me see what we could get, right? Yeah, people, well, I don't see nothing to fly, so I see some fly more back, so we ain't go down back to the box now. I know if you guys can see how my skin a little wet. Across the trench and go for some gamma for pound the sprang a little bit more thick. Because me want nothing flying and come off back. You understand me? I want where you go and you stand. So we going down here and then we do the final set. We're not moving back on the spot until we get something. You understand me? So make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. You understand me? So stay tuned till I meet the set out, please. I meet to the point where I set out. Okay, further in this cage, all to them in there. I set my sprang up top here. And this here, I'm going to stick the camera on this so that you guys can get to see good. Understand me? Good. Ring neck, boy. Ring neck get kids there. Nice ring neck too. See people, get a ring neck. See? Ring neck. So, oh shock me front of fall. Anyway, stay tuned guys, I'm ready. Let me tell you people, nothing on go on and come off. First one get catch. That is it. Stay tuned guys. So I'm gonna put this one inside this cage. My friend come put this one inside this cage and make them this here now and call. But I'm gonna try my luck and see people. Guyana guys. Yeah, 3 now in the cage. 2 people. That is it guys, stay tuned. At least we still get one already. Understand me? For the little hard work, still get one. Next one, people. Next one. 3, 1 in the yarn. That is it. See the fine see there, guys? Them eat this thing. They say call it belly ache. Let me see this belly ache. Alright, my people, place is getting late, so I feel this is it, guys. Me get rid of this sprang before board fly on it and take. You shouldn't get more board around, but the man kind of little smart thing, man. Some come on a tree there. But I don't set. Don't catch two. It's enough. Next time I come in, I'm gonna put more sprang. And I'm gonna go a different place with them there like rice. What they? I'm gonna show you with the sprang. 2 more come in. You see, guys. Still catch some. Still catch 2. So that is it for today. Sure for like, share, comment, subscribe for the hard work, you understand? Next video gonna be board catching or maybe love board. Yeah, I think so. So just subscribe so you won't miss none of the video. Look, them there in the tree there. And they're right in the tree. Carry. See 2 fly there? 2 more up in the tree there. So that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.